you sell your extra tiki stuff? I do. Now sometimes I vend at events like this tiki event I'm currently at, but look at my booth here. This is a lot of work. And since the vending was 2 days, I had to tear down and set up twice. And it's hot, and there's bugs that are biting me, and it's humid. Now, we did sell some stuff, we made some money, but it's a lot of work. You know what's not a lot of work? Selling your extra tiki stuff on eBay. And I'm gonna show you how. I'm gonna show you the tips, the tricks, the hacks, how to find it, how to sell it, and how to ship it. And ship is the tricky part, but I've got that down pat. And I'm gonna show you how to find it better than your competition, sell it better than your competition, and ship it cheaper than your competition. All the while just sitting around in your underwear, not even vending at an event. Easy peasy, straight out of your house. Come check me out, Tiki Oasis 2018. And 2 lucky attendees of my symposium are gonna win one of these tiki mugs. So why wouldn't you sign up? It's gonna be fun, you're gonna learn, and a couple of you are gonna win stuff.